cribbage continues to be a pretty popular game, and AJ's got a cribbage board here that he made. The plan, the design for this is all up on the WoodWorkers Guild of America website. So AJ, this is really nice looking, just classic. Give us a little bit of information here on how you put these things together, what it takes to make a cribbage board.
Well, George, as you know, wood shops generate a lot of small pieces, and I'm able to make these cribbage boards out of fairly small or narrow pieces of wood by separating the two sides with a middle spline.
Great use for scrap. So walnut maple here,
yes.
right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I've got a little piece of canary wood there for a drawer stop.
So let's have a look at the inside of that, because you have to have pegs to play the game.
There you go.
And that's dovetailed in there, your slider.
It is. Actually, that's all cut on the table saw.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's a great technique to come out of this now.
And then I use a router then for the
To
recess.
create the pocket in the bottom.
Yeah.
And all these tiny holes, that would have the opportunity to be a real boring process, making all of those. It's just a little joke. That's okay, it's a little laugh. And you've got a commercial jig that you source in the article that helps you get those holes just right? Okay. So kind of the bullseye of this whole thing, great way to use small pieces. Cribbage is still a popular game. You actually sell a lot of these.
I do. Yeah.
And so you're taking off-fall from other projects and making it into something you can make some money on. This is a great project, and again, look for the complete plans for this on the WWGOA site. Just search for the cribbage board story, and you'll get all of AJ's information about how to make one of these and the sources for the stuff you need, the pegs, and that commercial jig for drilling the holes. Thanks, AJ.
Thank you, George.